in person, di ba, pwede siyang kapatid ni Erich Gonzalez. And tinatanong kita kung anong gusto mong gawin. You said, kumanta. Like Casey daw. Why? What types of songs bang kinakanta mo?
Ano po, kahit ano. Pero, yung hindi masyado It's like mga pop lang po, ganun.
Pop na mga kanta. Okay, ikaw nagka-boyfriend ka na?
Never.
Never pa.
So, bawal pa.
Okay, ikaw, nagka-ilang girlfriend ka na? Sinagot niya ako, more than 5, less than 10. You? 2. Kinantahan mo sila?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Sample, ano yung isang kantang ginawa mo for one of your girlfriends?
Baby, I love you, I never want to let you go.
Oh, wait, Brad, sandali. Siya ang hilig mag-I love you. Kanta pa lang, nag-I love you na.
Sorry.
Hindi. Nariw lang ako sa pagkakaiba ninyo. Before we close this interview, let me just ask you, kasi this is a day to look forward to new things, diba? Because you're out of the house, there's so many opportunities. So, kung ikaw ang tatanungin, Ivan, what are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to seeing my family again. They're here. They came from America. I'm excited to see them. I'm excited to try workshops here. I'm actually looking forward to showbiz if I can. Sana. And also, I want to learn the guitar. Because si James and Brett, they taught me the guitar.
So marunong ka na?
Hindi talaga, but I learned quick. Sabi niya, I'm fast.
Ikaw, Devon, saan ka excited?
Ano po, sana may, like, looking forward to be an actress or to be a singer, ganun lang po. Po.
Oh, that's nice. Ikaw?
I'd love to make an album with my friends from Dumaguete.
Wow! Gusto niya magka-album. And apart from the album, what about Fritzy? Bagay kayo. What are you looking forward to?
We'll see. We'll see.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to the three of you. Thank you, fresh air kayo. Am I turning them over? Yes. And see, ang ganda. Parehong nakaputi. I'll turn you over po kay Feb at kay Jobber. Thank you, Chris. Naku, Chris, of course, gusto lang namin sabihin ni Jobber dito, we will miss you. And talagang ngayon ko na naisip, 6 years na rin pala ako dito and really, a lot of things happen and we will miss you talaga here.
Mamiss natin si Chris ako. Especially ako ngayon lately, ha? Ka-textmate ko yun, araw-araw, no? Nagtitext sa akin ng mga sayings that I love it so much. Sabi ko, Chris, huwag mo kalimutan yung text mo, ha? Everyday yun.
Ako BBM, Chris.
Anyway, mga kaibigan, ito na, Fem.
Kasi meron
kasama rito mga cute, ha?
Yes, ang ating third and second big neighbors. Makakasama natin mamaya ang si Fritzy and si Ryan sa KCS.
Yes, nabangan ang kanilang interview with our own Casey Concepcion sa The Buzz KCS.
Ano kaya mga tatanungin ni Casey? Like, siguro yung marami nag-tweet sa akin kung mag-school daw ba sila or papatuloy yung showbiz. So malalaman lahat ng mga sagot mamaya sa pagbabalik yan na
The Buzz! Susunod sa the biggest buzz ever! The biggest...
One big night, two big placers. Let me share with you the stories of your favorite teen housemates, third big placer Fritzy. At second big placer Ryan. Ipinanganak noong November 26, 1993, si Fritzy Joanne Ruite Bercede ang naging official komedyana ng kanyang pamilya. She loves the spotlight, kaya naman binuking ng kanyang sister na si Danya ang favorite hobby niya, ang magpaka-vain sa harap ng salamin. Nako di kataka-taka, habulin daw siya ng mga cute guys. Pero surprisingly, alam niyo bang certified NBSB pala si Fritzy? No boyfriend since birth. She grew up kasi from a conservative family at priority niya ang family niya.
Ay, napakabait na bata talaga si Fritzy. Talaga, perfect. Wala pong masasabi.
Si Fritzy ay isang matulungin, God-fearing. Kung ano ang sinasabi namin, talaga susunod siya lahat.
Now, from a Pinoy housemate, lipat naman tayo sa isang well-loved teen international. Born on June 16, 1991, Bang Yoon-sung, o mas kilala natin bilang Ryan Bang, brought back the Korean wave sa ating bansa. Armed by his famous Chuba Choo Choo dance moves, napatawan niya ang maraming kapamilya sa kanyang pagkakengkoy. Super another level talaga.
Kahit na super hirap lang papagawa sa kanya, sobrang happy pa rin. As in, never ka makakita ng frown sa face niya. Chuba-chuba pa rin talaga siya.
At ito pa, very close si Ryan sa kanyang parents. Ang daddy niya, parang kabarkada lang. Si mommy naman, she will do anything para mabili ang paborito niyang damit at sapatos. How sweet!
He was very, hardworking boy and listen to mom's word. That's why he can have this kind of big prize.
Ryan, 착하다, 장하다, 대단하고, very good. He says she's so proud of him.
Kahit pure Korean si Ryan, napatunayan naman niyang Pilipinong-Pilipino ang kanyang puso.
He loves Philippines so much. He is not a Filipino, but he loves to live in here. He loves to study here, and he likes the Philippine people.
Ngayong hapon, makakaharap ko na sila. Ang charming angel ng Cebu, third big placer Fritzy, at ang simpatikong leader ng South Korea, second big placer Ryan. Live sa The Band